Hello. Good morning and welcome to another informative on your favorite coding channel, Code Guide Academy. Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 Python libraries for data science, so you are going to want to stay until the end of the video. Remember guys, we uploaded new contents each day, sometimes twice per day. So subscribe to our channel and don't forget to smash that like button, and if you have questions leave them in the comments section and the answers will be provided ASAP. Now let's begin. So as you probably already know, data science is an ever-growing field and Python is an essential tool for data science. Python supports a myriad of libraries for data science. In this video I'm going to share with you the top 5 Python libraries for data science and give you a brief explanation of each, and I will share on-screen examples to give you a better understanding on how to use each one. 1. NumPy. NumPy or numerical Python is one of the essential Python libraries for data science. It is used for numerical calculations and scientific computing with Python. NumPy provides an array object that is a collection of values used in mathematical computation. NumPy array is quite similar to the mathematical arrays. A few examples of how to use NumPy are: Python. Import NumPy as NP. Number create an array with values. R equals np.array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number add 1 to each element. R equals r plus 1. Print r. Number calculate mean of an array. R mean equals np.mean r. Print r mean. Number reshape an array. R reshape equals np.reshape r, 5, 1. Print r reshape. 2. Pandas. Pandas is another excellent Python library for data science. It is specially designed for data manipulation and analysis. Pandas provides fast, flexible, and easy-to-use data structures for handling data. It is a helpful library for handling tabular data, such as Excel spreadsheets or SQL tables. A few examples of how to use Pandas are: Python. Import pandas as PD. Number create a data frame. df equals pd.dataframe. Name, John, Mike, Lily. Age, 25, 30, 22. Gender, Number filter data based on condition. df filtered equals df age 24. Print df filtered. Number group data. df group equals df.groupb gender. Print df group.mean. Number export data frame to CSV. df.to CSV data.csv. 3. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a powerful Python library used for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python programming. With Matplotlib, you can create line plots, scatter plots, bar plots, histograms, and many other types of visualizations. A few examples of how to use Matplotlib are: Python. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Number create a line plot. X equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. plt.plot x, I. plt.show. Number create a bar chart. Names equals John, Mike, Lily. Ages equals 25, 30, 22. plt.bar names, ages. plt.show. Number create a scatter plot. X equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. plt.scatter x, I. plt.show. 4. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is one of the best Python machine learning libraries for data science. It includes many machine learning algorithms, such as linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and many others. Scikit-learn is simple and easy to use. A few examples of how to use Scikit-learn are: Python. From Scikit-learn.linear model import linear regression. From Scikit-learn.datasets import load Boston. Number load Boston housing data. Boston equals load Boston. Number create a linear regression model. Model equals linear regression. Number train the model. Model.fit Boston.data, Boston.target. Number make predictions. Ypred equals model.predict Boston.data. Number evaluate the model. Score equals model.score Boston.data, Boston.target. Print score. 5. Seaborn. Seaborn is another excellent Python library for data visualization. It works with data frames from Pandas, which makes it easy to create statistical graphics. Scikit-learn is built on top of Matplotlib, and it provides additional functionality to create eye-catching and informative visualizations. A few examples of how to use Scikit-learn are: Python. Import Scikit-learn as SNS. Import Pandas as PD. Number load tips dataset. Tips equals SNS.load, dataset tips. Number create a scatter plot with regression line. SNS.regplots equals total bill, I equals tip, data equals tips. plt.show. Number create a box plot. SNS.boxplots equals day, I equals total bill, data equals tips. plt.show. Number create a pair plot. SNS.pairplot data equals tips. plt.show. These are the top 5 Python libraries for data science. Each of these libraries has its own strengths and weaknesses. However, with a thorough understanding of these libraries, Python is sure to become an essential tool for data science. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon if you want to get notified whenever we upload new contents. And again, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. See you next time. Have a great day.